Look at this dude. What is he doing? Okay, hopefully I'm in focus, but I'm probably not. First of all, welcome back to my channel! So, next week is my spring break, and we're going to Arizona to visit my cousins. So in this video, I'm doing a pack with me video. Is that what it's called? So, in this video, I'm going to be packing all my stuff. So I'm going to be packing like my clothes bag and then also my car bag. I don't know if everyone does that, but that's what I do. And I've packed a lot of them because I've gone a lot of places. Like, a lot. Scout's going to help me over here. You guys want to see his trick? Shake! Good boy! Okay, I think I'm going to use this. This is my car bag, so I'm going to do this second because we're not leaving till tomorrow. I just started packing early. And then I'm going to use, okay, I think I'm going to use this as my stuff to put stuff in. What do I need? I don't even know how long we're going for. And you definitely can't see me at all, so that's awesome. Is it cold in Arizona? Okay, outfit number 1. We have this shirt here, which I'm going to wear with these shorts here. I have 5 pairs of socks. They're just black and blue. This is how you pack clothes. You do it like this, fold it in half, and then you do like half of it up, half of it down, and then you put your shorts, fold them one time, then like if they're long you can fold them again, and then you can just roll it up like that, so it's like this, and then you take like a scrunchie and you put it over, and there we go, one outfit. That's how I pack my clothes. Packing tip number 1. Look, he's sleeping. I still only done one outfit. That's not good. I guess I'll bring this outfit, or this shirt. I guess I'll wear these shorts. Nice. Outfit number 2, complete. 2 to 3 shorts. Check. 4 pants. We got here. It says Bears on it for Brennan Bears. Now I need some pants since it's gonna be cold. So a lot of people don't like Aeropostale, but these are the only jeans I like wearing. So all my jeans are from Aeropostale. I think they're really comfortable. So we have these ones. Hopefully they're good. For shorts, I normally will pack them with a shirt, and then for like pants, I just pack them by themselves. I'll put like a hair tie over it so it stays in place. So it stays in like this small little ball right here. Here's my second pair of jeans. They're not really jeans, they're like jeggings. Sweatpants. They have dog hair all over them. Okay, these are sweatpants. I'm pretty sure they actually don't fit very well though, because they don't have like, I accidentally pulled out the string that was here. So that's going to be nice when these don't actually fit. Oh, I snapped it. I'm scared. Jeans number 4. This bag already looks full. Oh no. This is going to be a problem. This isn't all going to fit in here. Take number 2. I'm pretty sure this is like the exact same size though. We're actually using this bag. I'm changing my mind. So let's put, it's gonna be way better. Okay, I'm still gonna use this though. This is like my bathroom bag. Okay, so change of plans. We're not using this bag because it's too small. This is what I'm gonna wear to sleep in, I think. This shirt with these shorts. Okay, again, my epic folding skills here. I'm telling you, it works. It really works. Next outfit, these shorts and this shirt. 2 to 3 shorts, check. 4 pants, check. 1 to 2 leggings, check. 3 to 4 shirts, check. I forgot what I've been putting in here. Dang it, this is my problem. I'm gonna bring this sweatshirt. It says SeaWorld on it. This is my problem. Sweatshirts are so big and they take up so much space. I guess I'll make this another outfit. This shirt and these shorts. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. You have to make my own music because I always get copyrighted and then my videos get blocked. Now I need 2 sweatshirts. Australia sweatshirt, of course. I think I need more shirts, so I'll bring this one. This one. Okay. And there's just so much stuff. Okay, let's see what it's like in Arizona. 30 degrees. Got this jacket here. It's just a white North Face jacket. Alright, packed. 1/2 done. And there's a giant hole in it right here, but whatever. This is my car bag. Normally I do my car bag right before I leave, so I always overpack. I already know. Oh, glasses. I guess I'll bring this book because I need to learn how to succeed. How to succeed in college and life. Also, I bring this pillow pet here, my Stitch pillow pet. I'll literally bring it everywhere, so I'll be bringing that and a blanket. But I'm not going to show you the blanket because Scout's sleeping on it right now. Oh, CarMax. This is my problem. I kind of just look for stuff that I want to bring, and that's why I normally will forget stuff. Okay, this stuff is important. Driver's license, mask, keys for the car I'm not bringing. This is all stuff I'm going to put together tomorrow, so I need my computer, charger. Maybe I'll bring this thing. It's like a GoPro, but it's not a GoPro. It's a sports camera. Plug, watch plug. Oh, we'll bring this thing. Pencils, iPad, phone. Okay, so we have journal, other, notebook, pencils, water bottle. Yeah, I really think that's it. So I have been working on my editing skills recently, so let me know if you think it's getting better or not. Maybe a little bit. If you watched this far, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.